Hey, what's up? If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Excel tutorials. Now you might be already familiar with how to find data in Excel. You use the Ctrl F shortcut to bring up the Find dialog box and you just type in what you want to find and click on Find All or Find Next. But there is also a Replace section in this dialog box where you can find some data and replace it with something else. So for example, let's say we want to replace the ASST dot in the designation column to assistant. All I have to do is type in ASST dot and replace with assistant and click on replace all. You can now see that it's made 4 different replacements, and you can see in the column F that all the ASSTs have changed to assistant. You can also use this feature to remove certain parts of a cell. So for example, let's say we need to remove this entire section. Just copy that section, go back into find and replace, paste that section right here, make this area blank and say replace all, and you can now see that it's only left with the balance area of this employee number. Another example is in this cell I have a set of dates and all I have to do is Ctrl F, go into replace, and I'm going to replace 2023 to 2024 and say Ctrl A, and it's going to make replacements and change all of the dates from 2023 to 2024. The applications for find and replace are endless and it's extremely useful for your day-to-day Excel use. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to hit the like button. It really helps me out a lot. And subscribe to the channel for more Excel tutorials. I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.